HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to learn the alphabet. That's right. And we're going to draw it and paint it too. Isn't that exciting? Ooh, I love drawing. We'll start with the letter A, then B, then C, and D. What comes next? It's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. What comes next? L, then M, N, O, P, yay! Q, R, S, T, U, V. What's next? That's right, it's W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. Now we know our ABCs. This time won't you paint with me? Red. A is going to be red, like an apple. B is going to be yellow, like a banana. C can be purple, like a purple carrot. Yes, you can get purple carrots. Green for D, like a dinosaur. E can be pink, like a pink elephant. What colour shall we do F? Blue! What a great choice! Blue for a blue frog. Yellow again for G. G is going to be a giraffe. Next is H and we're going through the green again. How about a green helicopter? And I can be for ice. Blue ice. Jelly. Strawberry flavoured because it's pink. Next we're going for K. Gold. Koala. What shall we do for the letter L? Blue. What a great choice. It could be a blue lizard. Ooh. M can be red for a red monkey. Well, why not? It's my monkey and I want it to be red. Purple for N because it's such a nice colour. Ooh, let's go for gold again for O. It's almost orange, so we say O for orange. Red penguin. Why not? Green for a queen, because it almost rhymes. A green queen, get it? Blue for rocket, because we're zooming into space. Yellow for sun. That's right, a yellow sun. Pink for telephone. Purple for umbrella. Now let's do yellow for a violin. And a window can be pink. Lovely. I'm going for the gold again for a xylophone, my favourite musical instrument. Green for a yo-yo. I like playing with yo-yos, it's so much fun. And last but not least, a red zebra. Well done! You drew and painted the whole alphabet, all 26 letters of it. Great job! Fantastic!
Hi kids, let's make puzzles in different shapes. Let's begin with a puzzle in a circle. Make 4 puzzles inside. That's easy, isn't it? Let's paint it. Let's use colors like red, yellow, dark blue, and green. Now let's make them in a square. And use yellow, pink, purple, and teal to color it. Are you done? Let's make a huge heart and draw puzzles inside. Let's fill colors in the heart like red, orange, sky blue, and green. Last one to go, and that is a star. Let's make a star. And color with yellow, dark blue, purple, and green. Well, that's all for now. Hope you had fun.